Hello and welcome to another React video where I'll be watching Norwich away at Sheffield Wednesday. So Sheffield Wednesday are in the relegation zone, and Norwich, after that amazing win against Ipswich in the derby, we must win this. Come on, we've got to win this. For this video, I'll be showing just the highlights of my reactions to the goals and anything else that happened, penalties, red cards, that sort of thing. So let's watch the game. So here we go then. It looks like Sargent's about to kick off. Sheffield Wednesday just leaving their huddle. I hope we will win, and I predict 3-0. I think 3-0. Come on. So here we go then. Then we kicked off. Let's go. Just stole. Oh! Oh no! Oh. Sounds just. Oh. So Sounds stole the ball. No, it wasn't. Nunes stole the ball. And then what a save. And then they're like, was that Barnes? Had a shot over. Oh. So McCallum's gonna throw it in. Long throw. Sargent scores! 15 goals of the season. Oh, what a... From a throw-in. What a long throw. It went into the box and he... He just got it. Brilliant ball in. Signs! Oh no, he missed it! The keeper saved it. Oh. So the keeper throws it out. Oh! He stole the ball! Oh, what a mistake into the goal! Signs! 2-0. My prediction's coming true already. We're just one away from that. They're just falling asleep. They're just making all the mistakes. Norwich are more awake. They know what they're doing, and they just took advantage of it. Oh, what a clumsy mistake. Come on, Nunes! Oh, Nunes is... Oh, he's blown it. Way over the bar. Oh, no. Half-time. 2-0 to Norwich. And elsewhere, Southampton are winning 2-0 against Coventry, which is really good for us because Coventry were chasing just about 4 points behind us at the time before kickoff. So, that's brilliant. And also Preston lost, and we play them next. I thought we were pretty dominant. There was a little bit of lapse of concentration near the end there, but we held our own. We scored 2 goals from 2 mistakes from Sheffield Wednesday. The second one definitely. The first one was a throw-in, which was just pretty good throw-in from McCallum there. So the second half is about to start, and Sheffield Wednesday are making 3 changes. What? I really weren't happy with their performance, and so they should be. They were pretty poor for most of that half. Hopefully Norwich can win. Score a couple more, I reckon. What do you think? I'd say, come on, you yellows. Sheffield Wednesday has been the better side so far in the second half. Norwich are just making a lot of mistakes. What's going on? Oh, again, they just throw it in, and yeah, they're just causing some havoc. Oh, they just can't get ball. Come on, Josh Sargent off. He's subbed off, and replacing him is. Come on, show me. Gibbs. Gibbs comes on. Brilliant performance from Sargent. USA, USA, USA. Oh, we're so close to the playoffs now. But Sheffield Wednesday are not making it easier here. They'd make another long throw in, but we cut it out easy. Oh, come on! Come on! It's onside. Come on. Ah! Stacey, come on. This is very worrying. Oh, Gibbs is just look like he's coming off. He's injured. He just came on. Now he's coming off. And it looked like Fashnat is coming on. That's a shame. That's a shame, man. Free kick for Norwich then. Come on. Nunes or Sarah. Come on. Who's going to get it in? Come on. Nunes. Nunes. Oh, saved. Oh. Sarah. 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 Oh, he missed it. Just wide. Oh, God's sake. We're so close to 3-0 here. God damn it. Go on. Stacey. Stacey. Signs. No. McCann. No, for God's sake, McCann. Right into his shin, and now it's Sheffield Wednesday on the break. Oh no! Come on! Yes, well done, Gunn. What a save, my man. Oh no! Sheffield Wednesday just scored from corner. For God's sake. We've been a better team, and then just chaos in the corner there. They're just in the box, and then it's an easy header. God's sake! God, this is so dangerous for Norwich right now. Sheffield Wednesday are just all over us. They're just all of a sudden just woke up, I guess. And they're just getting corners galore here. Oh, another clearance from the corner there. But they're not out of it yet. They've still got the ball. Oh my God, come on! Yes! Thank God. Oh, get it out! No! Oh, another bloody corner! God's sake, come on, Norwich! We're in another corner. Here we go. Come on, Norwich, hold on! No! Another bloody goal for Sheffield Wednesday, 2-2! God's sake! This is not what we needed. God's sake. Another corner, another header. Signs off for Duffy. My dad just says, what went wrong? Just text me just then. I have no idea, to be honest. I have no idea. Why is it 2-2? What is going on? What's going on, man? Nunes! Oh no! Ashley Barnes missed it. Come on, Norwich. Last few seconds then. Sheffield Wednesday's got a throw in. Very long one into the box. Duffy gets it. No, they still can't get rid of it. Come on! And that's that. It's bloody 2-2. Can you believe it? How did Sheffield Wednesday get a point out of that? How did we blow that? It was just ridiculous. Oh, screw this. I'm going to watch the Champions League now. Just see the scores. Let's see. Real Madrid 3, Man City 3. Wow. And 2-2 Arsenal Bayern Munich. Wow. Anyway, it was a really good game for Norwich. And then somehow in the second half, they just turned it around. We were pretty bad for some reason. It was unfortunate to lose Gibbs after just had a sub as well. That was just a big blow. Yeah, I don't know what else to say really. It was just a shock. So thankfully we're still, I think we're still in the playoffs. I think Coventry is still losing 2-1 or something. And Preston, I think, 1-1. But yeah, that'll have to be it for today. I will watch the rest of the Champions League, and hopefully one of the English teams will win. It seem like really good games at the minute. But yeah, until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.